So if you ever wondered how might the Volvo 240 do when it's raining like crazy outside, well, I'm here to say that today I've learned does just fine. I mean, what car can't handle a little rain? It's December here in Canada and we don't usually get a lot of rain this time of year. Usually it's snow and ice, but today we have a very rainy day going on. It's so cold outside. Fun fact, this is the same afternoon of all that rain I just showed you. Not an hour after it was pouring down rain, that rain turned into a blizzard and the temperature dropped. But we've also had up to 130-kilometer wind warnings here in southern Alberta, which really made for blizzard-like conditions. As you can see now, there's no snow or precipitation falling, but it's still super windy, and the second I step out of the vehicle, that cold bites you hard. But inside the Volvo 240 here this evening, we are warm and cozy. And when these back roads get frozen solid like this in the winter, kind of like regular roads, and I don't mind driving a car on them. So it makes for a beautiful and peaceful atmosphere out here, especially in a car like this. Starts blowing strong like this, whether it's snowing or there's already lots of snow on the ground, you can see how low the visibility can get just from the snow blowing through the fields. The sky is so beautiful right now, the sun's just setting. Sometimes these winter sunsets are just the best. I don't know if you can tell how shiny the roads are. Lots of black ice and super slippery. Stuff here is so incredibly icy. You gotta be really careful. So the roads out here are just so icy that I'm gonna be driving as minimally as possible. Not quite the same as when I might go out for fun during a snowstorm later when there's less cars around. Every intersection and every stretch of the road is pretty much just pure ice, and the possibility of being rear-ended or just being involved in a wreck is a little too high for me to risk with the 240. There's no chance of me finding another one of these exact cars very easily if anything did happen to it, so it'd be best to minimize that risk. I'm certainly almost tempted to stick with the 850 until this ice gets a little better, because I've got the studded winter tires on the 850 and it's front wheel drive. But I really just have not seen the roads this bad in a long time. And what's crazy is that this morning all the roads were clear, and it was, I think, positive 7 degrees Celsius. Just pretty warm for December especially. And then in the matter of an afternoon, we dropped into the negatives, had some blizzard and some rain action, and now we're back in an icy, frozen winter wonderland. And the rear wheel drive slippage of the Volvo 240 is starting to show a bit more. But it's still a different type of control compared to a front wheel drive car, just in its own slippery way. The more snow that the road has, the better, because it covers up the ice a little bit. But all of the more traveled streets are brutal. Those back roads I was on were very clear and safe compared to everywhere else. Thankfully, we made it home safe and sound in the Volvo 240 wagon. Such an iconic and classic older vehicle. perfect for this winter atmosphere, serving us well all these years later. Thanks for watching this video. Sometimes the more mundane days are worth sharing too. Subscribe to stick around for more, and safe driving, everybody.